Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special in store, the Nothing Watch Pro. It's been generating quite a buzz, and I'm here to dive into its features, design, and overall performance. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this watch from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Let's start with the build. The Nothing Watch Pro boasts a sleek design with an aluminum alloy frame, giving it a modern and premium look. Flip it over and you'll find a sturdy plastic back that keeps things lightweight. Now let's talk specs. The Nothing Watch Pro features a 1.96-inch 58Hz AMOLED display with a resolution of 410 by 502, delivering vibrant visuals and sharp details. It's not just about looks. This smartwatch is loaded with sensors, including GPS, an accelerometer, a heart rate sensor, and an SpO2 sensor. Staying connected is crucial, and the Nothing Watch Pro has you covered. With Bluetooth 5.3, it ensures a stable and efficient connection. Plus, there's a microphone and speaker on board, adding an extra layer of functionality. When it comes to features, the Nothing Watch Pro doesn't hold back. It offers a whopping 110 sports modes, making it a versatile companion for your fitness journey. From tracking your sleep patterns to keeping you in the loop with smart notifications, this smartwatch has it all. Wondering about compatibility? The Nothing Watch Pro plays nice with Android 5 or higher devices and iOS 5 or higher, ensuring a wide range of users can take advantage of its capabilities. Now, let's address the powerhouse behind it all. The battery. With a 340 mAh battery, the Nothing Watch Pro keeps you going throughout the day without missing a beat. And finally, the weight. Weighing in at just 32 grams, the Nothing Watch Pro won't weigh you down, making it comfortable for all-day wear. So, is the Nothing Watch Pro living up to the hype? Stick around as we explore its functions and user experience in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.